My May, June, July plans with Keppel DC REIT is simply just storing my ammo. I have to declare that I'm a shareholder, thus practice independent thinking. Continue to watch how I decided on this plan. So let's jump into the first quarter results. Gross revenue up 22%, net property income up 24%. Distributable income is at 61.8 million and that is up 59%. So that's the first quarter results of our Keppel DC REIT. I was not expecting the magnitude of the jumps because I was just simply, let's just see what has it brought. No wonder my REIT managers were confident to hit 209.86 million distributable income. This figure is important to me as I translated it to a potential 9.5 cents dividend for FY 2025. Since that is my value, it also determines my target purchase price. So if you want the specifics, you can watch it here. If I multiply its distributable income by 4, that figure would be 247.2 million of distributable income, and that's a 11.2 cents DPU. Sounds good, but it includes the contributions of Basis Bay Data Center and Kelsterbach Data Center, which will be divested in FY 2025 due course. So the second quarter results will be cleaner to form my DPU baseline again. So from now till July, there is May, June, July. It's simply storing ammo. And along the way, if the price is right, let me know what's your plan for Keppel DC in the next 3 months in the comments below. I'll be reading them. Talking about the next video to watch, it will be this for you.